Hi friends, this is the Nifty update for 4th of February. So let's first have a look at the chart, then we will have a look at the FNO data to devise the plan. So today market took support at the 200 period moving average. First it went below yesterday's low and then it bounced back. There was heavy volatility throughout the day, but finally Nifty managed to close above the 200 period moving average. So now this 200 period moving average, which is around 11,655, and today's low, which is 11,614, this is going to be a crucial level in the coming few days. We have to wait and see if this 200 period moving average is holding, or this is just a bounce back and we will see further downside level. Now market is below all the short term moving averages, but it is taking support at the 200 period moving average, so which is very crucial. Now let's have a look at the momentum. The momentum has slightly increased to the positive side. That means market was falling with speed. Now the speed of the fall has diminished, and today in fact we gave a positive closing. Also, if you look today's candle is a opposite candle as compared to the yesterday's candle. So this is called halami pattern. Whenever there is halami pattern, the previous day whatever is the color of whatever is the trend of the day, that force of that trend diminishes. So on Saturday we had a very big black candle and very big downside move. So because of today's candle, that looks like diminishing. So there is a heavy possibility that this could be a reversal. However, this reversal is not a very strong reversal. Okay, this is just a minor reversal. For any kind of strong reversal, at least we should close above 50% of this black candle, which will be around this 11,800 or so. Okay, now let's go and have a look at the option chain. A few of my friends told me that we should look at the option chain directly from the NSE side itself and not in the Excel sheet. Okay, so for few days we'll do this. So you can go to live market and equity derivatives, and first we'll see where is the maximum call position. So the leftmost side is the OI for the call. So if you see, the highest number here is this one, 31 lakh. Okay, and this is for which level? This is for 12,000. So highest open interest is 12,000. However, we cannot take that into consideration because the premium is only 5 rupees. Okay, so we cannot take any trading decision based on that. So the nearby strike which is having the highest call is this one, this 23 lakh shares in open interest, and that is at the strike price of 11,800. So 11,800 call is having the highest open interest. So in this week, this is going to be a critical level on the upper side. Similarly, now we'll have a look at the highest put open interest. So the rightmost column is the OI for the put. If you see, the highest put is this 23 lakh, which is at the level of 11,500. So 11,500 is going to be a key level as a support in this week. Now we'll look at the build up. So the leftmost column is the cumulative. That means from the starting of this contract, whatever is the position in total, that is this OI. But this second leftmost corner, column, this is change in OI. This is what change has happened today. So this is the open interest that has built up today only. So if you see, this is 9,38,000 calls had been added at the strike price of 11,800. Again, built up is also at the same level. So we saw that the highest open interest is also at the same level, and change in OI is also at the same level at the call side. So 11,800 is going to be a key level. Similarly, the build up at the put side has happened at this level, 8,36,000, which is 11,500. Again, this is the same level where the maximum put OI is there, and also OI built up at the put side also at the same level. So what we concluded from this open interest data is 11,500 on the lower side and 11,800 on the higher side is going to be very key. From the chart, what we concluded that today's low and this 200 period moving average is going to be very critical, which is coming around 11,600. so now this 11,500 to 6,000 is going to be critical for the market. Similarly on the higher side 11,800 from the option data and 8,034. So this is the previous swing low. So on the higher side 11,800 to 830 and on the lower side 11,500 to 11,600 is going to be very important. Now let's have a look at the other data like VIX, PCR and all. Okay, so this why we saw from the NSE side itself. Now the PCR yesterday it was 0.85 and we were expecting it was oversold and there could be a bounce back. We got the bounce. Still the PCR is below 1, so still there is further possibility of short covering. If there is some good or stable news, there could be short covering because it is oversold. Max pain has come down from 11,900 to 11,800, which is again negative. VIX has come down, which is good for the market. It is come around 5 to 6%. So but VIX is decreasing, which is that means stability is coming into the market. Today FIs have sold 1200 crores and DIs have bought 1200 crore. Again index future they have bought 400 crore and stock future 783. So in index future if you see till yesterday till Saturday the total contract was 113,000 shares contract and today it is 108,000 contract. So thus it is a short covering because the number of contract has reduced. Similarly if you see Nifty OI also has come down, that means it is short covering rally. Similarly FI long short through option till Saturday it was 147,000 contract, today also same. That means there are no further short position built by FI through option. Okay, so what we concluded is 11,500 to 600 on the downside and 800 to 830 on the upside is going to be very key. From the option data 11,500 to 11,800 is coming as the range, and from the chart it is 11,600 to 11,830. Okay, now let's have a look at the central pivot range. This is coming very interesting for today's data. If you see the CPR or CPL, whatever you call it, is today's data is showing as very narrow range, so we can expect a trending move tomorrow. Okay, so let the data come. I think it is taking time to load. Okay, this trading view data sometime takes time actually. Okay, we'll try once more. This is important, I wanted to show you guys. Okay, it has come, good. So if you see yesterday Saturday, the CPL line was giving CPR, this line was giving very wide, these lines were wide apart, so that means today we're expecting a narrow day. But today if you see, it is these three lines are coming together, so tomorrow there could be a trending day. Trending day means market opens at one end and throughout the day it keeps moving in the same direction. So tomorrow we can have a big trending day. So how to trade the day? We concluded that market was coming down, there could be bounce back, and the range is 11,500 to 11,800. So we don't know which side there could be a sizable move tomorrow. So the idea should be to first wait for the 15 minute first we should wait for the initial 15 minutes. Okay, and if the high of the 15 minutes is crossed, okay, then we should look to go long, and if the low of the first 15 minutes is broken, then we should go short. And tomorrow could be a good day to buy option because we are expecting a trending kind of day. So that is how you should try to trade. Anyways, whatever decision you are taking, if you are taking any decision from this analysis, please consult your financial advisor, and always please use stop loss. So take care, trade well, and we'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you.